Let's move now to Sikkim, which is all set to invite tourists after months of lockdown and restrictions due to COVID-19. The Sikkim government has decided to reopen hotels, homestays and other tourism-related services in the state. Here's more. The Himalayan state of Sikkim has finally decided to open its border with West Bengal for unrestricted movement of vehicles from 1st October. The decision was taken by Chief Minister Prem Singh Tamang to kickstart the economy in the tourism-dependent state. This year, however, due to the prevailing COVID-19 pandemic and subsequent lockdown, the hill stations were shut since March. Sikkim was among the first states to ban the entry of tourists since March 16.
We have made it for reopening of tourism. So we have given various steps how we can reopen tourism. That the plan is to reopen tourism in a phased manner and in a controlled way, so that because Sikkim is a very small state, landlocked state, so we don't want that huge number of people should come. There should not be any control, so we want to do it in a controlled way. So that's why one major provision is the tourist will have to pre-register in a web portal which is developed by the tourism department. So every tourist coming will be monitored through the web portal, because he will enter all the entries and it will be pre-booked tour. It will be a pre-booked tour which will be allowed. Plus we want to monitor their movement all through their tour journey.
As part of Unlock, there would be free interstate movement of people without any requirement of registration. While the odd-even road rationing rule for public vehicles will be lifted from October, it may continue for private vehicles. State government offices will operate with 30% staff and all shops, except those selling essential items, will remain closed. Hotels, homestays and other tourism-related services will open from 10th of October. In consideration of the current scenario of the pandemic, a standard operating procedure for hotels and tourism sector is expected to be announced soon.
ज़्यादा तो गेस्ट हम लोग को कलकत्ता से ही आते हैं, तो 3 दिन पहले उनका पूरा कोविड का टेस्ट का रिपोर्ट देना चाहिए हम लोग को ऑनलाइन। तो वो कोविड का टेस्ट का जो रिपोर्ट है वो लेके गेस्ट को आना होगा। और गाड़ी जो आएगा, गाड़ी में पूरा जब गेस्ट आएगा वो गाड़ी में सैनिटाइज़ करने के लिए बोला है। सैनिटाइज़ करने के बाद जो गेस्ट घर में आएगा उन लोगों को लगेज जो है, लगेज में भी पूरा सैनिटाइज़ करके उन लोगों को खुद को उठाना है। इतना मैंने बोला गया हुआ है।
Sikkim opening its doors for tourists have given new hope to Bengal's tour operators as well, as stakeholders of the tourism industry is largely dependent on North Bengal and Northeast tourism. Tourism is one of the most important economic activities in the hill state, with a livelihood of almost 15% of the population depending on it.
लॉकडाउन जब से हुआ तब से हम लोग का होम स्टे जितना भी है रिसॉर्ट का कोविड-19 के कारण से हम लोग का बहुत घाटा तो हो रहा है। फिर भी हम लोग इससे लड़के भी हम लोग का होम स्टे वगैरह खोलने के लिए हम लोग चाहते हैं, क्योंकि हम लोग के पास अभी कमाने का एक ही चीज़ था, वो था होम स्टे। सरकार हम लोग का जितना भी मदद कीजिएगा, सरकार हम लोग के लिए कुछ हेल्प कीजिएगा।
However, a complete lockdown will be imposed in the Gangtok Municipal Corporation area from 21st to 27 September as part of special measures to contain the spread of COVID-19.